actually have like no idea.
Even better.
So, Paisley keeps trying to convince me to go darker.
I want her to go dark, like a little bit darker, so bad.
I was like saying like she should do like dark but keep like blonde like throughout, so then she'll like
even like a blonde color, but it would just make your highlights pop more.
I really love like when you like do your highlights too.
Yes.
So like,
Especially, I think it'd be so fun to like make this blonder.
yeah.
Like reverse it. Like right now, all the blondes up here.
Yeah.
But like make it a little rooted, but it'll make this look brighter.
Yeah.
It'll make, if you like add a little dimension, it'll make all your blondes like pop. Is there anyone's color that you're like, I love this so much?
this one I saved, even though she has like short hair, but
Because you love it how blonde it is.
I love like, I loved how
Show
blonde
the
that
camera
is.
that.
Kind of do something like that, maybe. Keep like brunette somewhere. Like, I don't know how to explain it.
Have you ever had extensions?
Never.
Okay, love that. Do you want for length?
I think more for like volume.
If you don't look at this, because
Yeah.
you make it rooted, like,
Yeah.
can you tell, do you like one better than the other?
I don't know. What do you think? They're
both
both very pretty, yeah.
They would both be so cute. Like, do you want to keep it brighter on the ends like that?
I do.
I feel
Yeah, I
like
think
that's
that's
more
really
like the photo you like.
Yeah. But I kind of still think I should keep some brunette
Yes.
underneath just so that I'm not like fully blonde.
Yes.
You know?
Do you think that that's too blonde? Like, would you rather have this on your ends?
Like a way you could do like a mixture kind
Oh
of.
yeah, we do a mix. Oh yeah.
Maybe like that then, because then it'd be like not too blonde, but
And you could also switch the way
yeah.
you feel like that's cute.
Yeah.
Because it still has dimension. It's not as solid as that.
Yeah. So yeah, I think that's good.
I'm excited.
Me too.
Okay.
Guys, so I now have all my foils in and my hair looks like cute. But now I'm just waiting for it to all process and then we're gonna go and tone it. And I also got my extensions in and they look so pretty. So I'm really excited to show you guys. It's so pretty. I already feel like this color kind of suits me more than like
Juices, yeah. Just right in front of the door and that's it. Okay. Or she could just,
and
you
the
could just hand her the phone.
the length is so pretty.
Maybe in the mirror and then
I've never had like rollers in my hair either.
Really?
Yeah.
So fun.
I need to get some. I just don't know where to get them.
Oh, I have some you can have.
Really?
This is like my brand.
Wait, actually? I didn't know that. Oh, wait.
My gosh.
It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh, the color too. I love it. Oh my gosh. I actually love it. Like,
so
love
good.
it, love it.
Isn't it
It's so,
cute?
this color suits me way better.
It's
Like,
so cute.
yeah. Yeah. Guys, we're now finally done with my hair and I absolutely love it. It's so pretty and the length is like perfect too. I love it.